How important is your relationship with yourself? For me, one of the most important relationships we can have, or the most important relationship, is the relationship we have with ourselves. Because, see, you can travel the world, but if you have never met yourself, if you don't know who you are, you will always feel lost. You can show love and affection to everybody outside there, but if you never know who you are, and if you have never met yourself truly, you will keep abandoning yourself and you will never feel enough. And you can achieve everything outside in the external world. Wear the nice watches, have the good cars, have the beautiful house. But again, if you have never met yourself truly, that means you avoid wounds. With the wounds you avoid wisdom, and that will make you feel lost. And then you will run around maybe with a smile in your face everywhere outside, but your soul will keep crying. That's why I say, please make sure that you become your own home first before you seek shelters and others. And in order to become your own home first, you have to know who you are.